Foxconn executive has purchased a $2 million home in Wisconsin. Have not given an update on this story in a really long time. There was some sort of tax incentive, government relationship, negotiations around Foxconn bringing some level of manufacturing, potentially assembly, to the United States, particularly in Wisconsin. They say they were going to, originally, I think the mandate was to bring around, here it is, 13,000 jobs to a place called Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin. And it never really took off. In fact, it was so slow moving that the Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation denied tax credits for the company because it hadn't fulfilled the minimum job creation requirements. And so you may have thought at that point, all right, the whole thing is not going to happen. It's not going to take off. This is a mess. It's not going to work out. But then you catch a piece of news like this, that a major Foxconn executive moves into town. I think you can probably get a decent place for $2 million in Mount Pleasant. I'm just guessing. So moves in along with his wife, and he has a high title. His title, what was the title? The Director of U.S. Strategic Initiatives.
Wow.
Moves in there.
Well, he would be the first one because he's a initiative.
Got to get in there.
Yeah.
So he buys a place for himself, $2.18 million, and maybe this begins to turn things around. Maybe they start to take it serious. Maybe we see some of these products with a little Wisconsin touch. I don't know, man. It ain't there yet, but this is one signal in that direction.